Hey guys, Trenton here, and this is a review over the Craftsman M125 21-inch Biggs and Traction push mower. So this push mower, no prime or choke, starts within 2 pulls, and you never change the oil, but you have to add oil and check it. So this mower is red, and I bought it for the price up here, and this is how much it cost originally. $279.80, so $280. So that is the mower. So you have 5 things right here, and you can move it up 3, and you have that side too with 5. So you have a OHV thing, whatever that is. The spark plug is in there. Exhaust system, settings in 163cc. 6.75 grass torque, so it's pretty powerful. So this is the air filter. Pretty dirty right now. This thing sucks to keep clean. It just, the old filters are way better, but that's the air filter. So this is where you put gas in. It's a gas hog. I just mowed the front yard and there's about 3/4 left in there. And this lawnmower is not that good at putting lines in the yard, which you want. So it has, so I put that thing right there. And you can open it, and you could add a bagger. Mine shop came with a bagger, but it was on discount. That's why I didn't have it. And this is the side thing right here. This thing is pretty good. Those are the blades in there. And it barely even clumps up, even when it's wet. And this thing is not plastic, but a lot of parts are like the tires, rubber, or not rubber, small tires. And I'm about 5'6", and I can grab it really good right here and mow, and it has that curved effect right here. And now we have the oil thing right here. Never open it when it's hot, but there's plenty of oil in there. Last time I checked it, I think I never checked it before. Wow. And the string is pretty sturdy. I can bend it. So that's the overview of it. And when I store in the garage, you can take that off and that part off over there. And the whole thing bends down. And we have this little water hose thing. I just cleaned it, and it makes it look 10 times better in it. I'll show you under it. I'm using my phone as a tripod, so don't make fun of me. Okay, I'm gonna try to lift it up. So that's the mower. Now I'm gonna start it. Oh yeah, one more thing. This thing always starts on one pole. Make sure you like and subscribe too. If you find this video helpful, comment down below anything you got problems with yours, so other people know before they buy it. Like, you know. And this is how you put the oil filter back on. It's pretty hard to do it, but now I'm gonna try to start it. Okay. Ready? First time. Pull. Here, wait, this thing fell off back here, so let me put it back on and I'll show you when. Okay, here's the pull. Let me try to grab my phone and let me pull it. Ready? Okay, I can't hold my phone like that. I'm gonna mow that little strip over there for you guys. Okay, here's it mowing. So you can see this strip right here. And here's a few more pictures I have. And that was done with a push mower. And here's that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Peace.